Hi, my name is Jerry. This is my oldest son, Lucas, and my youngest son, Colton. We're here at Tammy's farm, getting ready to load out our calves to take them to the sale barn. They've started in the cattle business, and this will be their first opportunity, maybe, to turn a profit. So we will see. We got all the calves finally loaded into the semis, and next stop will be Russell, Iowa.
Well, Hibbit, all right, sir, Hibbit, go open up them gates now and welcome, boy. Incoming on a 35 now, what are you going to give for?
We just got here at the auction, just pulled in, and lo and behold, out of the 4,000 or 5,000 head of cattle, we see Serena. So here she is, Lucas's calf. Let's head into the auction. Just as a reminder, inside an auction, do not talk with your hands. You might be confused for a bid.
$40 bidder now, 45. Will you give me 45? Make it 45, bid a 45. Who would have bid it at a $45 bid? $62, $63, $100, three quarters of the time,
Okay, the auction is over. We just got our check for $1,914. So now we're going to go back and do some math to see our input costs and see if we made any profit. All right, so we had our auction today and just got back with our check from Russell, Iowa. So boys, do you remember about a year ago, we purchased a cow, a 3-year-old cow who was bred, and then last January, you each had a calf. You had a steer and you had a heifer. What is a heifer?
Boy.
No, girl. And what is a steer?
Boy.
A boy. So we had a steer and a heifer. So now what we're going to do is try to figure out if we made any money. Okay, so we've kind of finished our math and we've looked at our outcome. We're hoping to pay off our cow next year with the sale of this year's calf, and potentially in our third year in 2024 turn a profit. Have you guys been having fun raising calves?
Yeah.
Who do we need to say thank you to?
Thank you, Tammy, Uncle John, and Stacy.
And Stacy and Terry, thank you. Appreciate all the help. We are learning the cattle business. By no means are we farmers, so hopefully we used all the right terminology tonight, right? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Enjoy our show and hit subscribe.
Smash the like.
When I'm old and gray and these two hands are worn, cross me over Jordan, Lord, and I'll keep heaven